Good morning, students. Today I am here with second part of plant kingdom. In this session I am going to discuss classification of algae, that is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. So let us start with classification of algae. Algae are classified into three main classes. What are they? They are chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. And this classification of algae is based on nature of photosynthetic and accessory pigments. First of all, it is about chlorophyceae. The members of chlorophyceae are commonly called as green algae and they includes more than 7,000 species. About 90% of the total species grow in freshwater habitats and 10% are marine. Green algae are cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means they have wide range of habitat present everywhere. They may be terrestrial and grow anywhere on moist soil, walls and rocks, for example allothrics. They may be epiphytes and grow on the other plants such as tree trunks, damp woods, shady leaves, for example species of Protococcus. They may be endophytes, means they grow inside the other plants. For example, Coleochaete that grow inside the thallus of Nightella. Members of green algae may be epizoic, that is grow on surface of animals. For example, Chlorella and Chlorella. Sometimes they may be parasitic and grow as pathogen and causes diseases, for example Cephalourose. Thermophilic species are found growing in hot spring, for example Chlorella. Cryophytes grow in polar region on ice and snow, for example Climadomonas species. Some are symbionts and form one of the component of certain lichens. Thus, we have seen that there is a wide range of habitats. Organism is having thallus structures. Means plant body is thallus and it ranges from unicellular motile forms, example is Climadomonas, to unicellular non-motile forms, example is Chlorella. Colonial motile forms, for example Volvox. Colonial non-motile, for example Hydrodictyon. Filamentous unbranched, for example Odogonium, and filamentous branched, for example in Cladophora. Shape of algae or shape of cells, you can say, it ranges from spherical to cylindrical and each cell is eukaryotic, uninucleate or sometimes multinucleate and has two layered cell wall, the outer pectose and inner cellulose. Photosynthetic pigments present in the chloroplast and they are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophyll. The green color is due to the presence of excess of chlorophyll. These photosynthetic pigments are localized in definite chloroplast which may be cup-shaped, discoid, plate-like, reticulate, spiral, ribbon-shaped or star-shaped. Chloroplasts are usually associated with pyrenoid. Pyrenoid store the reserve food materials. Some pyrenoids contain proteins besides a starch and some algae also store food in the form of oil droplets also. Now let us see about the reproduction in the member of chlorophyce. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation, cell division, stolon, tubers. Asexual reproduction takes place by formation of zoospore or aplanospores. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Earlier it has been discussed about isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Isogamous means fusion of similar gametes. Anisogamous means fusion of dissimilar gametes. And oogamous means fusion of large non-motile female gamete with small motile male gamete. In this case, zygote is the only diploid structure in the life cycle. There is regular alternation of haploid gametophytic and diploid sporophytic generation in the life cycle of green algae. Some common green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Allothrix, Spirogyra, Chara, Hydrodictyon, Chlorella, Alba. There are so many. Here you may observe Chlamydomonas and Volvox. Here it is Allothrix and Spirogyra. You may observe here Chara and Alba. It is about Hydrodictyon and Chlorella. So you have seen that how the different types of algae are present. Now next is about the salient features of Phaeophyce, which is commonly called as brown algae, and it includes about 2000 species, less than green algae. Green algae contains 7000 species, but this Phaeophyce members are about 2000 species. Most of the brown algae are marine except few which is found in fresh water. Okay. There is great variation in size and forms that ranges from simple branched filamentous forms as seen in Ectocarpus to profusely branched forms as seen in kelp. In this member of Phaeophyce, there are no unicellular, colonial or unbranched filamentous forms. Only branched filamentous form. Branched filamentous form may be simple branch or profused branch. So this is one of the important character which differentiate Chlorophyce and Phaeophyce. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids and xanthophyll. But you have seen in Chlorophyce it was what? Chlorophyll A and B. But in Phaeophyce it is chlorophyll A and C. Color of brown algae varies from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the presence of fucoxanthin pigment. Food is stored in the form of mannitol and laminarine. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic cell wall covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating of algin. The protoplast contains a centrally located vacuole and nucleus in addition to plastids. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum by means of holdfast, as we have discussed earlier, and a stalk the stipe and leaf-like photosynthetic organ the frond, which is also called as lamina. So here these three structures are resembling to root, stem and leaf. Reproduction in the members of Phaeophyce takes place by all the three methods, that is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place in brown algae by biflagellate zoospores, that is pear-shaped and have two unequally laterally attached flagella, and vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous. Fusion of gametes takes place in water or in oogonium in oogamous species. The gametes are pear-shaped and bear two laterally attached flagella. Where the flagella is present? On the lateral side of the gamete. There is no zygotic meiosis in brown algae. The diploid zygote produces a diploid thallus. In many brown algae, the diploid phase is dominant, as in many vascular land plants. Example of brown algae are Ictocarpus, Fucus, Dictyota, Sargassum, Laminaria, etc. In this figure, you may observe Ectocarpus and Fucus. Here it is about Dictyota and Sargassum. It is Laminaria. You may observe here Holdfast, Stipe, Lamina, that is frond. Now let us see about the characteristic features of Rhodophyceae. Members of Rhodophyceae are called as red alga due to the presence of red pigment, that is phycoerythrin, along with chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. Here chlorophyll A and D is present. So please remember it. Members are mostly marine with greater concentration in warmer area. They may be present up to the depth of 30 to 90 meters in marine habitats. Mostly they are multicellular and some of them have complex body organization. Reserve food materials, or we say stored food material, is Floridian starch. It is very much similar to glycogen and amylopectin in structure. The red algae usually reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. They reproduce asexually by non-motile spores and sexually by non-motile gametes. Sexual reproduction is oogamous, followed by post-fertilization developments. Common examples of red algae are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, Xylidium, etc. Here you can observe Polysiphonia and Porphyra. It is Gracilaria and Xylidium. This is a table which gives an account of comparison of all the three classes of algae, that is Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So let us summarize. Chlorophyceae is commonly called green algae with pigments A and B and a stored food material. Here is a starch. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Flagella is 2 to 8 in number and all are equal at the apical end. Habitat of Chlorophyceae is mostly freshwater, brackish water and salty water. Let us see about Phaeophyceae. It is commonly called brown algae with photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll A and C along with fucoxanthin. Reserve food material is mannitol and laminarin. Cell wall is composed of cellulose and algin. Flagella are 2 in number but unequal as well as laterally arranged. But in case of Chlorophyceae, it was equal and apical. Present in freshwater, very few. Rare, brackish water and salty water. Okay, so mostly they are present in brackish water and salty water. Let us see about Rhodophyceae, which is commonly called as red algae due to pigment phycoerythrin. What is the pigment? Phycoerythrin along with chlorophyll A and D. Here chlorophyll A and D are present. Reserve food material is Floridian starch. Cell wall is cellulose, made up of cellulose. Here flagella is absent. See here. Here flagella is absent. The habitat is fresh water, some species, brackish water, and mostly salty water. So this is all about today's session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.